Is this annoying yet? Actually, it kind of is. Now, slogans for t-shirt have been a thing since forever. I'm just gonna keep it real. You know, slogans for t-shirts always are, you know, something that you want to put on. You want to have a fresh slogan, and that could be a slogan in as well. Have a fresh slogan. You know, people put that on t-shirts, and that's just what it is. As a matter of fact, I want to start a challenge for you guys. And this is something that you guys can participate in. If you don't want to, it's cool. If you're designing t-shirts, or if you have a t-shirt shop, then I want you guys to put it on the t-shirt. And I know that sounds crazy, but that's the challenge. If you have a slogan, if you know a slogan, put it on the t-shirt. I want to see you guys' best designs, all right? Put it on the t-shirt and send it to me on Instagram, tag me in it, and I will feature it in the beginning of my videos. All right, I want to see your best designs for whatever slogan that you guys have, and let me know what it is. All right, but today I want to turn you guys' attention to this Buzzfeed post, which is this a real Forever 21 t-shirt slogan, or am I just effing with you? Now, I know Forever 21, they're kind of bland. They have their own little style for like those people who are into Forever 21. I'm kind of into Forever 21. I'm just going to keep it real. But I don't really like their t-shirt selections because I think you can find better Urban Outfitters. But that's just me. So we're going to go through these, and I want to see if you guys are fooled by whatever they got going on. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get this thing started. Is this T slogan real? The devil made me do it. See, I don't know. And it says Forever 21 photoshopped. I don't know, man. I think it is, but it says fake McFakerson, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna go with it. Probably is. No, it was fake. I was wrong. And you know what? I'm pretty sure the reason why this was wrong, why this was fake, is because they're not trying to take a position on, like, you know, religion and all that stuff. So I guess that would be something that's fake. Still, I don't know. That's something that would be in Forever 21. I think it is. I mean, you guys tell me what you think. How about this? Fries or buy? Fries, no fries, buy. I bet you that I noticed. I'm pretty sure this is real, so I'm gonna go ahead. I hope so. It's fake. It's fake. I guess I don't know Forever 21 no more. I guess no, it's not. This looked like something Forever 21 would have, though. The people who mind frames in Forever 21, who buys from Forever 21, would appreciate this shirt. But then again, what is this, like 2016? This post actually came from 2015. So yeah, I guess that wouldn't really be a thing. I mean, but dang, I don't know. I feel like people in 2015 were talking about eating fries like almost all the time. Especially if you're Canadian, because you guys like poutine. Just keeping it real. Is this shiz for real? Great, yawn, next. I'm gonna say yes. What does IDGI mean? Somebody tell me what IDGI means. I don't even know what that is, so I'm just gonna say this. Yeah, it is real. Okay, great, yawn, next. See how like this one actually is a Forever 21 t-shirt? See, that's the thing. Like, they make these kind of like bland shirts or whatnot, but then like, you know, the message be on par with it. Like the devil one, I thought that was actually one because that's the type of bland shirt that they make, you know? So, it's real, I guess. And you can buy it here if you want to. I shaved my legs for you. See, I don't want to get burned on this one, so I don't think this one is. I'm gonna hit, I hope not. It's real. It is real. So, hey, this one's real. I shaved my legs for you. And you can buy this one for $32. Damn! See, they photoshopped this one, right? So here's the thing. So they made this one. So I need to quit looking at the aesthetics of it. I need to just look at the messaging. And this is what you guys got to get into. Messaging over the brand. So I'm doing a horrible job at Forever 21. I thought I knew Forever 21, but I really don't. So this is what the shirt actually looks like, I guess. Is this annoying yet? Actually, it kind of is. So I'm gonna have to say only speak chick. Only speak chick. See, I feel like they don't follow trends, and CHIC is an actual brand, so I think this is not. Blows my mind. Legitimately blows my mind. This is actually, I haven't got one right yet. Oh, did I? Yeah, I got one right, but I haven't got them all right. And this is bad, okay? This is an actual shirt that they have. And you know, this type of shirt, I want to show you guys how to do it. It's so simple. Like, you guys can get this one. This is not that bad. This is a simple t-shirt design. I hope you guys like understanding that Forever 21 makes very simple t-shirts. Very bland, very simple. This one bursting with creativity. Oy vey. I don't even know what that is. What is oy vey? Tell me in the comment section below what it means so I can exploit that. I just want to know. Tell me. I think this one is not real. It's real. I low-key should just give up at this point in time because I'm just getting them all wrong, right? Bebop real. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm gonna just hit the smiley face. That's right. And you know what? I guessed on that one because I don't even know. I legitimately don't know. You know what I'm saying? But then again, this is what I'm wearing, and that's an all over print. So that's kind of cool. I love tacos and so much. You know what? They're not following trends. I'm gonna say no. Looks fake to me. This is real. That was real. Okay. They follow trends. They don't follow trends. What the heck, man? What in the actual heck, you know? What about this bad boy? Like me? Yeah, for sure. I know this is them. The one time I say yes and I was wrong, so I guess not. And whatever. The OG graphic tee. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another version of this. Like this, if this is not real, I'm gonna make it in a Forever 21 style. So I'm gonna say I'll give it a yes, and it's not. So this is not real. So I'm gonna make a graphic tee version of this. I think this is pretty cool, the OG graphic tee. And that's what you guys should do with these blog posts. Anytime I do a blog post, you guys should kind of figure out, you know, what motivation you guys are getting out of this and stuff like that. So use it to your advantage to find out what t-shirts I'm gonna be reviewing, because this is pretty cool. This OG t-shirt graphic tee, that's not it. It's not real, so move. Wow, that's a double entendre. I'm gonna say this has to be real, but it wasn't. Is anything real? I love that band. I'm gonna hit, I guess. I don't know. I guess I'm wrong. This is not real. Dang. And the last one, BR. I think I've seen this shirt before. I think I've legitimately seen this shirt before, so I'm gonna hit, this is real. Yeah, because this is the shirt that they have. And what is that? 8-bit font? Okay. That's pretty cool. I like that shirt. So yeah, you guys, I think I bombed that one completely. You guys tell me how many you guys got right. I want to know, because I think I need to start over. I think I probably need to start going to Forever 21 a little bit more and just kind of like pick up more stuff, because I didn't get any of these right. But if you guys did, let me know what you guys got right. There's no numbers or anything like that, but just tally up how many you guys got right. And then tell me in the comment section below what you guys got, because I want to know. And if you guys like this one, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, I do this all the time, so go ahead and subscribe. And do not forget to bail me. Bail me so I know it's real, because whenever I put out new stuff, I hope you guys will be there to like watch it. You know what I'm saying? You guys should be able to get the notifications. There's some girl like a few videos ago said that she doesn't get my notifications. Well, you have to hit the bell. And they got this crazy thing where like now you can only get like occasional notifications. Whatever. If you guys want the full thing, just go ahead and hit all, you know, and then you get all the notifications. But with that being said, you guys, I got to get up out of here. So stay amazing, stay creative above all else, stay awesome. Yeah.